Morning, J-Rockers. Welcome to J-Rocks Fishing. Well, I'm back out here with my buddy Terry, and we just got some live bait, and now we're going to be heading out looking for some more stripers. So hopefully we're going to have a good striper video for you. So we're going to get to it, and we'll see you out there. I'm hooked up. Oh yeah, they're all in the weeds. You can see them. Yeah, oh yeah, we got them. One and done. There we go. All right. Oh, big old gar in there. Oh, yeah. Load of bait.
Kind of on the small side, but they'll work.
Yeah, they'll work. Let me get this gar out of here. Woo. There he is. All right, buddy, stop. I'm trying to let you go. Cool little gar. See you, buddy. Nice. Oh, those are good ones. Those are really good size ones right there. You can't have too much bait.
Nope. Nope, we can't. We can always chum.
Yep. Yep.
Always chum.
I'm sold on that chumming deal. Oh, wow. That's
good. We should be good.
That's a good little pile right there. I think we got enough, guys. And we got some good ones, too. Awesome. Well, the bait situation's done. We got that. Now we gotta find some fish. All right, guys, well, we're at our first spot, and just as we pulled up, the fish were busting. I just had one bust right here. We're gonna chum out the water a little bit. I'm gonna start off throwing an artificial, and hopefully we'll start catching some fish. Hey guys, we're gonna start off throwing some artificials. I got a little plug like this. Look at the fish back here busting. Look at them back here busting. Look at that. Everywhere right here. Guys, I hooked up. Got me a little largemouth. Little black bass. Awesome. That didn't take but a minute. It's a nice little schoolie fish. Nice one. He's been hooked before. That's a nice fish, man.
Yes, sir.
All right. I like this little bait.
Looks like they do too.
Yeah. All right. Nice little largemouth. That's a good one, man. See you, buddy. Cool. Terry's got one running. Terry's got one on. Terry's got one on. Terry's got a good fish. There's fish busting everywhere right here, guys. See if it's the right flavor. That's right flavor.
Oh, he's not a biggie, but he's good.
Oh, here we go. First striper in the boat.
Yes, sir.
All right. Looks like I'm switching to live bait. I'll try one more cast doing this. 2 fish in the boat within 10 minutes. Can't complain. Oh, look at them busting everywhere. Oh, right there at the boat. It's crazy. Crazy. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm going to live bait. Can't handle it no more. Can't handle it no more. Even though this thing's awesome. All right. Terry's got one. All right, that looks like a black bass. All right. Nice one though.
Decent fish, for sure. Another jump, come on.
One more jump. Come on, buddy. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, we're stuck on a reel here.
I'll get him. I'll just lift him up.
Flick him up. Oh, nice fish. Alrighty. Nothing wrong with that.
Good little fish.
Good little fish. Alright. Welcome to the Terry Show.
I know you let it go.
Did he drop it?
Yeah, I let it. Nope, he's on there.
Oh, Terry's hooked up. See if this is a striper. Oh. Oh, it just got popped. Oh, he let it go.
Yeah,
Striper.
I'm gonna lift him.
You gonna lip him?
I'm gonna bring him around, see if I can just lift him.
Oh, I should have netted him. I should have netted him.
Oh my gosh.
That fish just yanked it, buddy. That's a striper.
I'm thinking, I don't know how big he is, but I'm thinking it's a
Oh, the way he hit that, he better be good. Oh yeah, he's good. I don't know what he's doing.
which way he's going, what he's up to.
All right. Well, that's a nice fish, dude. That's a good fish,
I
man.
loosened up a little bit too much. I don't know what side he wants to go to.
I'm gonna put mine rod over here. Help you with this fish.
Oh yeah, better fish.
That's a good one right there. I'm there. Got him.
Right.
He's done. He's done. Nice. That's what we're looking for right there. Tearing me up this morning, son. Nice. Good fish. Good fish. Well, guys, I was just reeling my bait in, and right here at the boat, this little guy decided to hit. Little black bass. Come here. That's my second largemouth of the day.
Perfect.
Cool little dude. I mean, I saw him hit it and everything. It was awesome. Yeah, it was awesome. All right, Terry's hooked up again on artificial this time. Is it the right flavor? He didn't jump yet. Oh, yeah, looks like the right flavor. Where's he at? There he is. All right, nice one, man.
Thank you.
Heck yeah. I'm getting out fish today, big time. Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Well, you just wait until you take me saltwater fishing and you kill me. Be like, Dad, I want to catch a fish.
That's a good fish, man. Nice. Guys, hooked up.
Ooh, looks like it.
I think that's a striper. And decent fish. Decent fish. Oh, black bass. Another black bass. I have yet to catch a striper today, but I've caught 3 black bass. This is a good one right here, man. This ain't no joke. This is a doggone good fish right here. Yeah, this is a good fish. It's a nice one. That's a nice fish. I'm happy with that one. That's a good black bass.
Yes, sir.
Man, that's a nice fish. Holy moly. Nice largemouth right there. See you, buddy. All right. Terry got one. Still on it? Oh, he's on it. All right.
Might be into you.
Got another one. Let me get this. Yeah, I think you're wrapped up in me. See if I can get it out.
He doesn't feel super big, but
No,
I'm under.
we're free. Yeah, we're free. I'm gonna say that's probably a decent fish, man.
I was just a long ways down the river.
Yeah. Yeah, that's probably a good fish.
Staying low.
He is staying low. He is staying really low. All right, where's that net at? Which way is it going? All right. Oh yeah, that's a good fish, man.
Oh, right there
really?
again.
Right there.
Golly, man,
That was,
spitting it.
that was a nice striper.
Oh,
All right, hooked up, guys. Hooked up. Is it another black bass? It looks like it. Or maybe not.
no, it's a striper, I believe.
Oh, really?
Good Lord.
Really? Ugh.
Here.
Dang, hook got fouled. Man. Doggone it. Terry's gonna get hooked up right here, guys. There it is. That feels like a good fish.
Oh, gosh.
Big old black bass.
Huge black bass.
There we go. Fish of the day right here. Oh, where's he going? Where's he going? Oh, that's a nice black bass. Oh, he don't know what he want to do.
Coming to you.
Oh,
Maybe not.
I'm here. Gotcha.
Wow. Thank you, sir.
That's a nice fish. That's a nice fish, man. Holy cow. Was not expecting that.
Fairly quick.
That was very quick. First cast. I wasn't even, I was still messing around on my phone. Nice fish, man.
4 pounds, 5 pounds.
Easy.
All right, buddy. Get
Heck
bigger.
yeah. Nice. There's something going on here, guys. I don't know. Yeah, it's a fish. Yep, I'm hooked up. I sure am. Don't know what it is, though. Just came off right there.
Oh, man.
I bet you it was a striper.
Yep.
Yep.
Yep, he swam forward with it.
Yep.
Okay.
I think I got one on now. You hooked up? Yep, you're hooked up. I'm hooked up. I'm hooked up. Double. Black bass? All right, I got something. All right. Double. See if this is the right flavor.
Yep. Oh, yeah. Good stuff. Good.
That's the right flavor. That's the right flavor. That's the right flavor. Golly, he's fighting, boy. Where's he going? I don't know. It's a striper. It's a striper. Nice striper.
Oh,
there we go. Finally got a
Yes,
striper
sir.
today. All right, man.
Yes, sir.
Finally got a striper today. Nice. Yeah, I got my good fish. Yeah. All righty. Nice black bass and a nice striper. That's good looking stuff right there, man.
There we go.
Nice, nice.
Mine goes back, and yours goes for a ride.
Yep. I'm gonna put my, there they are. Get my pliers
Pliers
on
right
my
here,
back pocket. Alrighty. Here we go. All right. Nice.
Right.
That's how you do it. All right, guys, we got a striper and a double. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that at all. Hooked up. Hooked up. All right, Terry's got a fish.
Acting funny, acting garfish.
Acting like a gar.
Maybe.
It's coming up here quick. Go out of your way. Oh, it's a black bass. Nice black bass. You've been tearing them up today, man. Holy moly. Nice fish, man. We've caught a pile of those today.
Yeah, we have. More of these than our target species.
Yep. Nice. Hey, Jetty Rockers. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Had another great, awesome time out there with Terry. Today we actually got into the largemouth or black bass. You know, I was very surprised that we were catching as many as we did today. Usually in those areas, that's all we ever get is stripers. But hey, it was a nice little change, catching some nice little largemouth. I haven't caught a whole lot of largemouth on this channel, so that was a nice surprise to me. When I was younger, I caught largemouth all the time. That's kind of how I learned how to fish, was catching bass in the local ponds and lakes. But it was a good day. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I thank you guys very much for watching this video. I appreciate y'all very much. I love all your comments, all the shares, all the thumbs up, just being a part of this channel. It really means a lot to me, you guys. And until we see y'all again, Tight Lines Jetty Rockers, I'll be seeing y'all real soon.